Welcome to the first episode of Behind the Seal. In this series, we bring you conversations with the people behind the brands, sharing their journey with Sigma CapSeal.
My name is Vittal. Right now I'm working in a Anora Pharma as a manager at designation. Last 3 years onwards I'm working in an Anora Pharma to take the responsibility of bottle, blister, liquid manufacturing and blister packing area. Our company is in a, first of all, Hitro Group of Anora Pharma. This is a very big organization. Approx 10 to 15 bottle lines is there, and another 6 to 7 bottle lines liquid product is there, dry syrup, suppository, all dosage form we are manufacturing. So this is a very big and upcoming a very bright future of Anora Pharma. We are located in Hyderabad, nearby Anora Pharma. We are using CVC bottle packing machines, Pharma Pack bottle packing machines, and in secondary area we are using Sigma automatic sealing and filling machine also we are using. We are pillar of the index